how can we move governments to a longer term position? Because governments have to deal with immediate problems. They want to get re-elected. In this context, as investment managers, we have to be aware of financial repression. The government is not necessarily your friend. We have to be much more careful than the last 50 years. In the 80s, there was a pension fund, an accounting directive. It forced companies who made pension promises to form a book reserve, right? Strange idea, form book reserve, right? And if you funded the book reserve, it disappeared, the liability. If it was not funded, pay-as-you-go, there was liability. So governments asked companies to do that 30 years ago. What do governments? You see here, they take the assets and they have a profit. And where are the liabilities? Future generation. So watch your government is my message.